Hi, I'm going to show you a couple of websites that I use to make YouTube thumbnails. So starting off here, what you want to do is make sure that the video is set to public or unlisted. Then copy the URL to the YouTube video from the side here. Copy link address. Now you can, like I say, just have it unlisted. So if you've just uploaded it, keep it like that. Then you can paste the URL into here. And beneath this, it will show you the thumbnails that YouTube picked, but will let you go through the video and let you pick a good screenshot. So I'm going to pick this one, take a screenshot from there. That appears below in 720p resolution. You can right click and save that. And then I'm going to switch to this designer. So this designer is currently set to YouTube thumbnail mode, and we can go to library and add photo. And I've uploaded the screenshot that I just took. Just tap on that, bring it in. Let's resize that. There's obviously a lot of options here, but I just want to use this as the background. Just going to move that up a bit, like that. Looks okay. And then I can add some text to it. So I'm going to just use this first sample text. There's a whole bunch of fonts. The ones with little crowns are the ones that you pay for, but there's plenty for free. So let's add that in and then move that over here because I'm going to resize this to be quite large. Change the color. Like so. And double click into there. Something like that. Justify the text and apply an effect like a glow and resize that. And then you can alter some of this. So we could add this width here. I think that will do for this example. You can add clipart. So they've got a whole bunch of shapes that you can add and icons, which is quite good. So we could add a big arrow and then change the color of that. So that easy. So once you're happy with it, obviously I'm going to edit this later. Hit download, give it a name, download it. Oh yeah, now hit that. Now we're done. And we'll switch back to YouTube. Hit upload thumbnail and pick the file we just downloaded. And there we go. Hit save and you'll see that at the top left as well. And you're done. So I'd really love to know what other tools you're using. Do you have any better recommendations for graphic design that are that easy? I would like to be able to save these designs, but that's part of the premium plan, but I can live without that. I think this is a decent package considering there's no watermarking with a logo or anything like that, and you can do as many designs as you want. Just that save functionality isn't something you're going to get without paying. Screenshot tool is fantastic as well, especially saves you from going into your video editing app or using a video playback tool to screen capture frames from the video that you've uploaded. But let me know what you use. Thanks very much.